Hi guys! Yes, today we will be making the apricot crescent cookies, or as we call them, Kiflice. My mom's been making these type of cookies for years and years around Christmas time, and I am doing the same thing to carry on the tradition. So let's get started. What we'll need is 4 cups of flour, Apricot Preserves, a cup and a quarter of sour cream, 2 eggs, some vanilla sugar, and 2 sticks of butter cut in little squares. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with the butter. Pour that into the flour. Now I beat them a little bit before I put them in the bowl. And some vanilla sugar. There's something so satisfying about doing this. Just squishing it with your fingers. Okay, keep mixing until the dough is soft and pliable and everything's totally incorporated and it's starting to look like this. Woo. Now start rolling the dough into a log. Now cut the dough in 6 pieces. Okay, now we're going to refrigerate it for about an hour. Okay, now that it's been in the fridge, it's time to start rolling the first ball of dough. Using a pizza cutter, cut the dough in half and then half again until you have 8 triangles. Start by rolling each triangle, pinch the dough, and keep rolling. And now pinch the ends. and turn the little crescents inward. Place parchment paper on the cookie sheet. Bake at 350, 15 minutes. Cool slightly and dust with icing sugar. And there you have it. It looks like a snowstorm hit the cookies. Mmm, yummy, snowy. These are so good they melt in your mouth. Okay, now the presentation. I will show you how I wrap this in cellophane, which I absolutely love for gift wrapping. Let's put that aside. Alright, so we take a big roll of cellophane. Okay, now I've already cut the cellophane to the correct size, and how I did that is I took the sides, lifted them up on both ends, determined the height that I want, and then with the other long end, and then with this long end, you're going to end up having this sort of thing. Then start at the bottom. Crunching it up in the middle so that it's in the middle. And get some ribbon. Tie it in the middle, like that. And one more time, so it's nice and snug. Oh, I just love cellophane. It's so pretty and crinkly and much nicer than regular plastic. One more time, and since this is a Christmas gift, I'm going to add a nice little bowl. Doesn't that look pretty?